Now we're going to display the 5 number summary on a graph called a box and whisker plot or box plot. The box contains the middle half of the data and visually displays how large the IQR or interquartile range is. The right segment will represent the 25% and the left segment the bottom 25%. A box plot makes it easy to see where the data, like how spread out they are and where they are concentrated. The wider the box, the more the data are spread out. So here we are plotting these. We're going to plot our minimum first by just putting a little dot at 46. So these are going up by 1, so 46.4. And then a dot again for the maximum at 55.1. And then our medium we designate with a vertical line at 50.4. So a little about halfway. Okay, then I'm going to go ahead and draw 2 more vertical lines for the quartile 1 and quartile 3. So 48.5 and then 52.15. And then I'm going to complete this. So these 3 vertical lines are the center and edges of my box. And then these 2 connect out to the 2 min and max and make like whiskers. So if you have a cat or a cat, this would be like their nose right here, and then here's the whiskers coming off of each side. It's kind of like they ran into a wall, smushed their nose up to the wall. But anyways, this is what a box and whisker plot looks like. You can see your min, your max. I can see my median right here, and I can see the data. It's pretty nicely spread out actually. So 50% of the data is in this box right here, and is making a nice uniform, pretty uniform box. So that's how you make a box and whisker plot. Now I'm going to do a combination histogram and box plot. And this time I'm going to start with the histogram first and then put the box plot on top. We have to choose an appropriate interval for each of the bins or bars. They like to call them bins. And the interval is called the bin width. Oh, I got a typo on here. This is now an interval of 2, not 1. So that should be 2 there. So I'm going to go up by 2s. Here's all of our data again. And I went ahead and made a frequency table. Going up by 2, so 46, and here's 48, and then 50. So I want everybody between 46 and 47.9 right here, and I count 3 of them, 1, 2, 3. And then 4 of them between 48 and 50. 50 will get counted in the next category, so 50 up to 52. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of those, and then 2 in that category and 2 over there. So I go ahead and plot them all on my bars, and you can see that the first group is 3, so this is lining up with 3 right here, and then this group's 4, and then 6, and then 2 and 2. So that's how you do the histogram. Then after that, we need to put our box plot on here. So here's all of our data points again. 46.4 was the min, 55.1 was the max, 48.5 was quartile 1, here's the median, and then 52.15 was quartile 3. So I go ahead and just plot all that stuff above the histogram, and you can see it right here. You can see how it kind of matches here. So here's the median of our data, and it's running right up into the box plot. So that is how I do a histogram and box plot.